All right. And we are back for another reaction. And today I'm actually super excited. We are going to be reacting to another series that I've heard nothing but amazing things about. I never watched it when it first came out, but I did hear all the hype. A lot of people were super excited. And I remember going to Barnes and Noble, and like half of the manga section was nothing but this manga or this series. The anime we're going to be checking out today is going to be Chainsaw Man. Now, I know nothing about it except the character, I guess, likes dressing in slim fit shirts and ties and has a chainsaw for a head and arms, I think, right? Um that is all I know. I don't know any character names, any plot, nothing. I just know he has a chainsaw for a head, and that's enough to get me interested. It kind of gives me like sort of like Grindhouse vibes, Planet Terror, you know, rifle for a leg, that kind of stuff. So I'm here for it. I'm here for like the I also actually so I do know there's a lot of gore, and that's also something that I'm a huge fan of. But without further ado, let us go ahead and react to Chainsaw Man episode uno. Right, and let's get that adjusted real quick. Wow, is this CG? Definitely, right? Why? I don't know why I'm asking. It's clearly CG. Or is it not? The hand look hand drawn. The hand was hand drawn. Okay. Some dude had a dream. I will be watching it English dub just because I don't know, I prefer English dub when it's available. And of course, if the dialogue is too bad, then I'll switch to subs at that point. Okay, so he lives in the shack in the middle of nowhere?
Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was,
What?
1.2 mil. My right eye was 300,000. Sold one of my nuts, too.
Who
How
would
much
want
did
that?
that go for again? Not even 100K, I think.
Yeah, who would want that?
So as of today, I owe over 38 million yen. What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that
Ochita?
makes two of us. Most everything
Interesting
would look all good, but a dead one's different
chainsaw
with
he has coming.
300,000.
Oh, what the heck?
Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash.
Wow, that's a pretty cool weapon. A demon? Some what the heck? All right, yeah, I mean, usually we skip intros, but damn, that might be worth a few watches. Damn, that song, what
Everything's
the
gotta
heck?
be the tomato devil,
I
sir.
know, I know,
When the
I
sea's too
know, I know, I
dubious, we
know.
come back for round two.
Ah, excellent work, Denji. Someone on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. How's 400,000
Oh, they
sound to
sell
you?
demon
Sounds
parts?
awesome.
That's before subtracting your debt payment and interest, though, which whittles it down to 170,000. Then there's the finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.
Just 70K left for me. I definitely gotta use this cut to pay the water bill.
Wait, I don't understand. Why doesn't he
Still
just
ain't
kill the
buzzing
old
me.
man?
Funny how that works.
It
We're
seems
already
to be
down
a
to
pretty
1,800
dark
yen
network
Pochita.
anyway, right? And he's
There's
already at his
nothing we can
ends
pay
rope,
on
I'm assuming?
this, which means we have to make this
And I'm assuming that guy
1800
holds
last
his
the rest
debt?
of the month.
I didn't see any
If we're gonna
bodyguards
do it,
around him.
let's go full on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
Or maybe he has like a moral code. Like, I'm not a
Really don't
murderer.
understand why you hire a punk like that to take out devils.
It's to ensure he pays off the mountain of debt he owes us. Though his worthless dead dad accrued it, Denji's the one stuck with the bill.
Is a broke-ass kid and his
Oh,
creepy little pet honestly the best fit for this sort of job?
Authentic devil hunters wouldn't do what Denji
so
does.
he's working off
Killing
his
the
parents'
carcasses
debt,
of their kills to the Yakuza is too scandalous for them.
specifically his
But
father's
not
debt.
him. Denji's biggest perk is
Maybe his
how
mom's still alive.
obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow this cigarette. Huh?
How much is 100 yen? Is that like $1 or
Oh,
10
you
bucks?
will? Alrighty, down the hatch this sucker goes. Oh.
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
Could have at least like put it out before you swallowed it, bro. I thought it was gonna be
I'll be
like
safe for another 3 days.
the edgy anime thing where the tongues kind of go into the side, like bleh.
Guess what I found out recently? It's
That's pretty
considered
sharp teeth
normal to wear bread with
for a
a jam
human.
on it. Too bad
At least I'm
normal
assuming he's
humans
human. He might be like
still
part
have to
demon.
look like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt.
Yep, that do be dept. That do be dept.
Crawling a cricket with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. No dough to go on dates.
You could go
Dreams
on a
still
little
come
coffee
true.
date.
And before I croak, I want to be with a
Maybe
girl.
just go out for some ice cream or something. It's not like they're immediately gonna know you live in a shack. That's not something you say right off the bat.
That cowardly bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment.
Damn.
Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
Yeah, even more reason as to like, I mean, why didn't he just kill the old man right there? Not here, but like a couple of minutes ago when he was holding a chainsaw.
A chainsaw?
Oh, this is how they
It's a
met.
devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me.
It's a devil.
Dead
So are these devils like well known in the world? If he knows about it, like right off the oh,
You're hurt. Death's coming for both of us, huh?
that was a funny line.
Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got. If you don't want to die,
Oh, he knows a lot
bite
about
me.
devils, I guess.
My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor.
It just bites off his arm. I
Because
don't think so.
I'd rather not die here.
Yeah. One jellyfish fresh
Here's
from
an
the
idea.
manure
Hire
fields.
me as a devil hunter so I can pay off what I owe.
I'm way too hungry to sleep right now. I think about money when I can't sleep, which makes falling asleep even harder. When I do cop some Z's, I know what dream I want to have. Gonna put jam on all my bread and split every piece with you. Then I'll lay on the charm and flirt with a girl. We'll spend the night playing video games together and hug each other as we doze off.
Damn.
Sweet, right?
Yeah, this dude must be like super early 20s or like 19 or something. That is the play, you know? Uh,
It just runs in my family. They said my mom died from a heart condition that made her cough up blood.
uh,
Got a new devil for you, Denji. Time to go to work.
uh, uh I'm just gonna pretend he doesn't have that. But at least now I know his mom died too, so it's really just him.
Wish they'd let me dream. At least for a little bit.
Oh, what a beautiful night.
You sure a devil showed up in here, sir?
Oh boy.
Apart
Now
from
I know
us, I
what's
don't see a
coming
soul.
next.
You think it's hiding somewhere? Or maybe it made like a bird and flocked off.
Smells like a spy.
Denji, my boy, you know we're grateful for your years of service, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
As loyal and obedient as a dog. And to top it off, you work for cheap treats like one as well.
Thank you, sir.
Only problem with dogs is I can never tolerate the stench.
Oh no, the dog? Take him, but not the dog.
The Yakuza may be powerful, but even the ones on top
Oh,
dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil.
I was like, what's that
We
going
wanted
in
to
him or
attain
coming out of
your
him?
power and see ourselves grow stronger.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence perish.
Oh, that voice sounds familiar. Is that Genkai?
Evil devil hunter. I've met runts that were smarter than these louts.
That is Genkai from a Yu Yu Hakusho. Oh, cool.
And they willingly handed their freedom to
She's gonna be the main character?
Little did they know the power they sought would turn them into zombies, since I'm the zombie devil. You really should have chosen an occupation that doesn't butcher
The zombie devil?
because now I have to butcher you.
Or are there just like random kinds of devils? Like
Tear 'em apart and toss
the
every
washing machine devil? The because there's the chainsaw devil. The lamp devil. Look out for those samurai devils.
Where's the exit?
I thought that was a samurai sword in his hand. It was just a pipe. Oh no, poor dog, dude. Pochita. That was cool. Seeing him catch up, that was really cool. I mean, I'm literally not worried about it at all, because he's the main character. So we know for a fact he's not gonna die.
King of the world.
I'm more worried about the dog.
Even if a normal life was enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much.
What a beautiful morning. Or was that the moon still? Oh shit. Damn. I guess zombies don't eat in this world. They just chop them up into pieces and throw them. Oh, poor dog, man. Oh,
Pochita. Rise and shine. We got a long day ahead. Real talk. I'm 99.9% positive I'm gonna die fighting a devil someday. And my one regret will be leaving you on your own.
I think you're gonna die from only eating bread, bro. I don't know how you're alive,
Another devil with big
honestly.
slaughter feeding.
Well, I mean, you're not alive anymore, but
There are some devils in the
Damn,
I'm
with the
so
high
terrified.
tops.
If you happen to be one of them, Pochita, I hereby give you full permission to take whatever's left of me. Wait until after I'm buried, though, so the Yakuza won't be on your case. Then you could up and leave this town and be ordinary. I want you to live a normal life.
Be an
Die a
ordinary
normal
dog
death.
with a chainsaw for a head. Can you do that for me, boy?
You'll live out the dreams I never could.
Oh? Oh, he's regenerating. Oh, shit. They're uh they're merging.
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Aw. Dang it.
I'm in one piece.
Poor dog. For Pochita.
Pochita?
Dang it. I don't know what I would do if I lost my dog, man.
What's
She's like
going
everything.
on here? You're still alive after being cut to ribbons? Repulsive freak. I hate devil hunters because of how persistent you are. Go ahead and eat him. Let's see him bounce back from being devoured.
And so he became the Chainsaw
These
Man?
guys had plenty going for him already. Why is it they wanted even more? Maybe we're alike. Pochita made me happy, and that should have been enough. I kept on dreaming of a better life. I guess we all fantasize about getting an upgrade.
Do it, man.
Can't really say I blame you for that.
Avenge your dog.
Dreaming's not a bad thing, but
Kill them all, man.
gonna get in our way. Then you can all die!
Damn.
Eating him's bound to keep that whelp dead for good.
Oh, it's a chainsaw here. Could not have been worse. I'm gonna imagine that sounded so much cooler in Japanese.
The front of a devil you were with take control of your body? That means you're one of us.
Damn, dude's rocking the capris, bro.
It hurts! Stay away! Move! Get back! Don't come any closer! Don't you dare budge from that spot! Stay where you are, you freak!
Oh, this kind of sucks in English. It sounds so. I mean, Genkai is awesome. I don't know about this guy though. You did it, man. You avenged your dog. He's like, oh, now what?
You guys went full devil, right down to your twisted, greedy little hearts. And I'm out here tonight because you said you had a job for me. I'm on the clock, so I should kill you devils dead!
Yeah, this English dub ain't it.
Jerks are worm food and spy by dead!
I should kill you,
Won't know a
devil's
damn
dead.
thing!
Oh, yeah, we're definitely watching it sub after. I can't take that dude's voice seriously. It's like, enter main girl.
Someone beat us to the punch.
Someone beat us to the punch.
Looks like that one there is still alive.
How long you just been standing there like that, bro? What up?
Your scent is rather peculiar. It's neither a human's nor a devil's.
Scent?
So then, this your handiwork?
Please, will you hold me?
Oh, bro, this uh, I don't know if it's like the English script or if that's actually what he says in like the manga.
He's a human.
Is there any indication that he's been possessed?
None. It'd be written all over his face if he were. Just so we're clear, I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options.
Hmm.
Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being. For the record, my pets get delicious food.
Delicious food, huh? So what's on the breakfast menu?
Bread with butter and jam is always a given at my table. Coffee and salad's also good. And then
Oh,
maybe
bro, what's with the bread?
yeah.
Is that all they eat in this world is just bread?
Hmm.
It's like one of my best dreams ever just came true.
Okay, that was pretty cool. Super. I mean, like I don't know if it's actually just the English dialogue or if that's the actual dialogue from the series. Very cringe at some places. I cannot take that dude's voice seriously. The whole garbling thing is like something like a 5-year-old would do, like yeah. So we're not gonna be watching the rest of this in English. Because I'm hoping it sounds a lot cooler in Japanese. But pretty I mean, honestly, like it was a really good episode. Um I don't really care about the guy at all. But damn, Pochita. Denji. Denji was his name. I already forgot. So far typical anime pro tag, but I'm invested. Kind of curious to see exactly how deep this world is rooted in the demons, because he seemed to know about it like early on in his childhood, and they're just kind of like throwing that info everywhere. So I'm kind of wondering if it's like public knowledge that demons are running around, if it's like an epidemic sort of thing. I'm wondering if there's nothing left but bread in this world to eat, because that's all they eat and all they talking about eating is bread. Um, but it does suck that that Pochita died. Yeah, man, I don't really like seeing dogs die, even ones with chainsaw for heads. As far as like other characters, there really was no other character. It was just Denji and the dog. The girl came in. I don't remember her name at the end, and she typical anime girl, right? But I'm assuming we'll get a lot more info on her because they seem to have formed some kind of contract. You know, he's gonna join some apparently some demon hunting organ. I keep saying demon, they say devils. I don't know if there's like a difference or if it's synonymous in this world. I'm just gonna keep calling them demon until I remember to call them devils. But it does seem that there's like certain kinds, like like very different variations of devils. So we have the chainsaw devil, zombie devil. I'm assuming there's all kinds of devils, kind of like the gods in origami. There's like the god of studying, the god of chaos, all that kind of stuff. I'm assuming it's the same in this world. I did really like the art style and that intro song. Oh man, that intro song was awesome. What the heck? So I'm assuming I noticed the bowling ball. I've seen that in a movie. I forget what movie it was, but if it has that and it just kind of leans super hard into that, I'm assuming all of those are movie references. Which is cool. Like it's a cool way of both building, like giving context to, I'm assuming they're all a team, so it gives like kind of context to the team, like gives them substance, while at the same time just using cool movie references, you know. And the song definitely hit. With the past few series that we've been reacting to, the songs are kind of bad. This one I could definitely see myself watching every time. I might even just like check it out on Spotify. When I'm at the gym, just blast that like do 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 do. do. Oh man, but I do love the gore. I do love the violence. Uh, I just kind of hope they flesh out this Denji character a little bit, uh, because I did not really care at all when he died. I cared more about the dog than him when he died. But it's just episode one. Still a lot to go. I don't know exactly how many episodes there are in this season, exactly how long the series is, but we'll check it out. Check it out for sure. Uh Hopefully I can find a way to upload this without getting copyright struck, but if not, then it'll just be like chunks. We'll find a way. We'll find a way. But for now, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have other reactions coming. We're reacting to Invincible. We just posted Your Name. We're going to be reacting to this. And this weekend, I'm going to be watching Let Me Eat Your Pancreas for the first time. Super excited about that. Uh, I have a vested interest in terminal illness just because of my family history. So we shall see how it holds up. But check out my Twitch. I stream every night, 8:30, different kinds of games. Right now I'm playing MOBAs a lot. So if you need some background noise, that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Same thing, Jupiter Machine. But for now, if there's always seeing me, my name is Adam. Thank you for checking out Jupiter Machine. And as always, steal credit cards, hurt your loved ones, plant some flowers. Happy holidays, everybody. Until next time, bye bye. Bye bye.